Alright everybody, welcome to the Selects Seacon review. This is part 1 and we're going to be looking at Lobclaw slash Nautilator. Yes, so as I said in the intro, they had different characterizations in Japan versus America. So in Japan, he's just a mindless drone beast and exists in huge numbers that can be sent out by turtler. Whereas in the States and slash the West, he was called Nautilator, and he was characterized as a bumbling buffoon. Yeah. Okay. So he's got these weapons here. Remember, he comes with a gun, and yeah, these new hands. It's like that are very impressive. But we'll get more into those later. And on the bottom here, he also has this axe. Yeah. So he's basically your bumbling buffoon character. It's like that barely knows how to do anything, can barely follow orders, and always screws up. Yeah. Classic bumbler. Yeah, so let's get a look at him. He's basically a retool of the Rippersnapper slash Blot mold. So he has like a lot of like shared parts between that. And yeah, but they gave him some extra parts, like you have this U-tail, these different claws, and you also have these legs, which don't really peg in anywhere. Like, they sort of drift there, but not really. And they kind of like gives this figure a bad rap. But other than that, he's pretty neat. He opens his mouth there, and it's painted red inside. Oh yeah, and you can like move that. And he has like several pegs you can like ports you can like peg things into. Yeah. Neat articulation overall with the claws and whatnot. So, but yeah, let's get them transformed. Yeah, move the tail there. You like lower these around the way and just pop open the legs. Pull it out. Snap those in. Yeah, these do essentially peg into the legs, so because I guess the legs have been retooled significantly, unlike the chest. Just pop them open, swing them around, like fold the legs in, like so. I just take this whole section here, and it has like various degrees of folding. Yeah, you can just peg it in there like so. Rotate the head around, snap those in, and then much like Blot, you just fold the claws in, and that forms it's like the hands. And there you have Lobclaw slash Nautilator. And yeah, nice design overall. You got the colors, it's like that essentially pop. And see how that feels for you. Neat figure. And then it's like, you have his various weapons. So again, you have the new hand foot gun, which has individually articulated fingers, so you could do lots of fun poses with that. And then you have like the nice thumb here, which clearly slides from side to side. And then you have like the port here to put like power masters or whatnot. But it also serves another function, as you'll see later. It even has a port there. So, oops, there that goes. Yeah. Oh, clumsy me. I guess it's appropriate for Nautilator. Knock it down. Oy. But yeah, let's just start giving him some of his weapons now. So you take the lobster tail here, and you fold that over, snaps in place, it becomes like a gun. You can give him that nice gun. And you have his axe weapon. And yeah, the melee weapons, they can combine to form, it's like the huge sword for Piranhacon. And then, if you want to, you can also give him this other gun, which not only combines, it's like into a bigger gun should you choose, but you can also you can also like do other things with it as well. Like it helps form, it's like the other gun. And then you can just take this whole assembly here, and if you want, just stick it on the back there. Yeah, and there you go. Do not fall on me. Do not fall. Okay, I'm just going to hold her in place now. But yeah, that's essentially Lobclaw slash Nautilator for you, and the first of our Seacons. Yeah. Again, big bumbler in the U.S. version, so much so that they said they don't want him to combine into the big combiner because he's such a bumbler and stupid that it actually slows down the mental process of the combiner Piranacon. So they usually just let him be the gun for the combiner. Yeah. Alright then, that was a Nautilator slash Lobclaw, the clumsy idiot. So, yeah. Stay tuned next, it's like for part 2. Alright, later.